These AI tools are so powerful, they honestly feel illegal to know. And the craziest part? Most people still have no idea they exist. So today, I'm showing you 5 insane AI tools that can save time, make money, and boost productivity. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. This tool can write scripts, emails, captions, and even business ideas. Basically, it's like having a personal assistant 24/7. Tool number 2, Midjourney. You type a sentence, and it creates insane AI images in seconds. No design skills needed, no cap. Tool number 3, 11 Labs. This AI creates realistic voiceovers that sound almost human. Perfect for YouTube, podcasts, and content creation. Tool number 4, CapCut AI tools. Auto captions, AI effects, and one-click edits. This saves creators hours of editing time. And tool number 5, Notion AI. This thing can organize your work, generate ideas, and boost productivity like crazy. Honestly, it feels unfair. AI is changing everything right now. The people learning these tools today will be ahead of everyone tomorrow. So don't sleep on this. Subscribe for more crazy AI tools, and let's get that bag. See you in the next video.